Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Martin.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you today?
Yeah, fine. Day 2 of the CIPD conference in Manchester, and we've decided to step out for some fresh air. Why have we done that? So, we both went to the same morning session. So, Mike, tell us a bit about it. What do you think?
Yeah, it was run by Dr. I apologise if I get the pronunciation wrong, Chie-Jung Tsai, who's an assistant professor at UCL School of Management. And she was really talking about the psychology of decision making and how it happens and some of the things that influence. Now, I think there was a lot of research in there, but I think one of the key things that I took away was that we think we make assumptions based upon our knowledge, our expertise and our experience, whereas it appears that we actually make decisions more on visuals. And there were some great examples based on judging orchestras and how they perform and musicians, based purely either on audio, video, and audio-video. And non-experts quite often pick the best performance just on video alone with no sound. I thought that was just extraordinary.
Yeah, really good. Really good, challenging insights, I thought. And one of the takeaways, which she dropped in towards the end, was if you show people at work, then it can help those people be happier in what they do and create more customer value. And the example was restaurants.
Yeah.
And this was really interesting because it all comes to visual information again. So basically, there was an experiment where a restaurant basically opened up the kitchen so that the customers could see the food being made. And that had a perceived value in the customer's eyes because they could see the effort going in. So the food kind of was better. It tasted better, not because of what was done to the food. It was because the customers could see the effort that was going into the food, and also the employees, the chefs, liked the fact that people could see what they were doing and responding positively to that, so it made them feel better about their work. And I thought it was a really great, she said it's a non-disruptive, low-cost thing that restaurants could do, and it's all based on the visual information.
But just to add to that though, because I mean I've been at restaurants where you can see the kitchens, but I think the twist on this particular version was they had iPads in, so even in kitchens where you traditionally couldn't see what was going on, they had iPads that either showed the customers or showed the chefs. So it was a sort of invisible visible.
Yeah.
So you didn't know that people were watching, but it did change those perceptions again of both employee engagement, which was awesome. So people behind the scenes could see the impact they were having, and that made them feel better about what they were doing.
So basically, you all say that you make decisions in recruitment or whatever area of the workplace that you make decisions upon, and you will say it be based on all sorts of evidence and data, but in actual fact, that research this morning, and there's plenty of it, is just saying we are making decisions based on visual information a lot of the time, and we need to be aware of that.
Yeah, that's a biggie.
Yeah,
It's a biggie.
great. Thanks, Mike.
Thanks, Martin. Have a good day.